Big Toy Shop. Dual ticketed, certified for cars and bikes. Honest service and attention to detail.
The trust element is everything in this day and age. Nobody will ever work on this car but these people. I have total confidence in them.
You know what to do. You got the right equipment. If anything goes wrong with my vehicle or food truck, I trust Big Toy Shop.
Knowing that the service is actually going to be done on time, that the vehicle is actually going to be ready and safe for you to take home to your family, I'd say trust is probably the biggest factor, actually.
Cars, bikes, Big Toy Shop. Free second opinions. 8315 Argyll Road.